Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and healthy. From the past 6 months, we all have been stuck into our own home. We cannot move out. We adults can understand, but we, along with our kids, we cannot make kids understand why they cannot go out and play, why they cannot go out and have fun in the park, in the gaming zone, why they cannot move out with their grandparents and have cycling in the park. But the main concern that most of the parents are facing from the past 6 months are the future of their kids. Yes, the future basically includes the education of our kids. And to overcome this big concern, the AIS has come out as a big boon for the parents. The school is not only involved into growing a child as academically, but mentally, physically, and spiritually. The school has been involved into lots of fun activities, though they are conducting the online classes for the kids so that the kids should not miss out their studies or the parents should not feel that the entire academic year of their kids are going wasted. But along with their virtual studies, the virtual learning which AIS has come out, they have been involved with various such activities with the kids, where the kids not only learn the bookish language, of course, but they are involved into fun-filled activities. The school has been conducting lots of activities such as rhymes competition, dance competition. Even you can go to the website of AIS and you can watch a number of videos which they have uploaded especially for the kids. And let me tell you, those videos are beautifully made out, the colorful pictures, the animated cartoons, and specifically in some videos, the kids will definitely enjoy because they will see their teachers, what their teachers are singing the rhymes, doing dance, doing exercises. One of the rhyme I recently came out that AIS has uploaded was head, shoulder, knees and toes. I really love that rhyme because that rhyme is not only to make kid learn, but at the same time it's a combination of learning, doing exercise, doing dancing, and at the same time we parents can also be a part of our kids. Yes, especially there are certain videos which includes the water animals, the different shapes and colors, and even there are certain videos in which the teachers have beautifully came out with the storytelling for the kids. They themselves have elaborated the stories in a very fantastic way. And especially, I love that pointer which goes behind the things to explain. Definitely, that catches the attention of a kid. And the kids sit and listen to the video. They see the video, they listen to what the teachers are explaining about. Apart, if I talk about the academically part, the school is also involved into certain extracurricular activities, like they are included into learning children certain table etiquettes, like table manners. If a child is sitting with a number of people and having lunch or dinner, how a child should behave on a table, what are the eating etiquettes they should have, the school teaches them. Even the school has came out with certain clay activities, where the kids will use their innovative ideas to make out certain beautiful things out of clay. And the best part is the parents themselves can include them in these activities which the kids are doing in the school. Besides these academically and extracurricular activities, the school is also involved into certain celebrations, I can say, the festival celebrations. The school used to celebrate all the festivals. Like the kids always know what is the importance of to celebrate Diwali, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Ganpati, even Janmashtami. But the best part is the school also gives a notion to the kids to make them understand what is the importance of celebrating the Earth Day, the Hindi Divas, what is the importance of Hindi language in our country, in India. Even they celebrated Heart Day today. And even few days back, I noticed the school also celebrated with the kids the birthday of Sri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister of India. So these are certain things where the kids are learning new things. They are coming up with something new. And even with this learning, they can make their parents learn too. Even the to engage the kids, the school has been doing certain online tests, plus they are into certain competitions, like they conduct dance competitions, they conduct rhyme competitions, and on the simultaneously they used to give the certificate. It's a token of appreciation where the kids have participated from the home itself, because this token literally gives a happiness into the child. When a child gets that certificate, definitely your child will go in the home, they will show their certificate to the parents, to the grandparents, and this will definitely boost their morale. So all these things combined is developing your child in a better way. The school not only is involved into the kids growing, but they are also concerned about the parents mentally and physically fitness. And the best part is that the school founder, the school principal, Anjali ma'am, she herself conduct various sessions for the parents of the AIS. Not of the AIS, even the parents of the others kids also. She used to do meditations. She used to conduct meditation sessions. She used to conduct life motivation lectures, as she's the best person we can ever found on this earth. Even, as a principal, she used to sit in the online classes with the kids. And there the kids feel so happy ki wow, see the principal, the founder ma'am is also sitting. So this is basically a school, I can say, who do not provide a bookish study to the kids, but they overall involve themselves into the development of a child, their parents also. Even recently, they celebrated Grandparents' Day in the school, and this was certainly a very good, a token of love for our elders who are literally arrested in the house in this pandemic era. So definitely it give them a zeal of happiness ki okay, we are somewhere, we have our own identity somewhere. So this is something, a real platform, I could say, a real platform where the kids are developed in a beautifully way, with in the hands which are full of love and care. In the last, I could say, hats off, I would say cheers to the team AIS, the management behind all those things, the classes, the teachers that are doing a great job, hard work, the dedication of them. And at last, I would say, enroll your child into AIS if you really want your child to develop into a better human being. Thank you.